In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export a GIMP project file. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then go down and select Export. You can also select the Control and E combination on your keyboard as well to initiate this dialog window here. And then once it's up on your screen, you can then select the name that you want to export this file under. And you can also change where you want it to be saved on your device. And then once you're done, just go ahead and select the export button at the bottom. And then you can go ahead and customize additional information such as the pixel format, the compression level, and then additional metadata in here as well. And then you want to select the export button, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.